Across vast South African plains, ostriches roam freely in large sunlit farms. These giant birds provide feathers that end up in luxury fashion and cleaning tools. Access is strictly controlled. Only licensed workers can handle the birds. Ostriches are strong and can be dangerous if provoked. Ostriches have powerful legs capable of kicking with deadly force. Workers must always approach carefully. Ostriches are gently guided into large pens for feather collection. Trained handlers ensure minimal stress to the birds. Before feather collection, workers wear gloves and protective gear. Safety is paramount. Ostriches can weigh over 300 pounds. Feathers are carefully plucked from live ostriches, a process that does not harm the birds. This ensures sustainability and ethical practices. Ostriches provide several feather types: plumes, quills, and soft underfeathers. Each has a different use in fashion or industry. Fresh feathers are washed carefully to remove dust, dirt, and natural oils. Clean feathers are softer and glossier. Feathers are hung on racks to air dry. Proper airflow and sunlight maintain their shape and fluffiness. Once dried, feathers are sorted by length, quality, and type. Plumes go to fashion, while smaller feathers are used for dusters. Some feathers are naturally dyed to match designer requirements. Bright, vivid colors enhance their appeal in luxury fashion. Dyed feathers are hung again to dry without damage. Controlled airflow prevents curling or deformation. Special brushes fluff feathers and straighten quills. This step is crucial for plumes used in fashion, hats, and dresses. Feathers are examined for defects, splits, or discoloration. Only perfect feathers proceed to luxury products. Long, elegant feathers are reserved for haute couture fashion pieces. Every feather has a unique curvature and softness. Shorter, fluffy feathers are bundled into industrial dusters. They are anti-static and gentle on delicate surfaces. Some feathers are trimmed to uniform size for consistency in products. Precision scissors are used by skilled hands. Luxury feathers are bundled and packed carefully to preserve shape. They are shipped worldwide to designers and ateliers. Boxes are organized in the warehouse for shipment. Ostrich feathers travel across continents for fashion shows and couture collections. The delicate structure of each feather creates softness and volume. Luxury designers prize this natural beauty. Feathers are sewn into extravagant fashion hats. Each hat is a work of art, showcasing the feather's natural elegance. Feathers adorn couture dresses, adding drama and volume to runway pieces. This is the pinnacle of ostrich feather use in fashion. Industrial feather dusters are hand-assembled for quality control. Soft feathers are inserted into polished wooden or plastic handles. Feathers are gently fluffed and inspected for final shape and volume. Every feather is perfect before leaving the factory. Finished feathers are stored in climate-controlled rooms. Humidity control prevents curling and damage. Feathers are labeled and prepared for export. They are ready to travel to designers, theaters, and luxury stores. High-end feathers are displayed in boutique stores or fashion ateliers. Their elegance attracts luxury buyers worldwide. Each feather is unique, with intricate barbs and natural sheen. No two feathers are ever identical. From live ostriches to luxury fashion and household items, the journey is long and meticulous. Every feather tells a story of skill and care. Nature provides the beauty, humans transform it into luxury. This is the Ostrich Feather Factory.